Welcome back to Auto Dive. Today we are diving the latest and greatest. The all-new 2025 Mercedes-AMG LC Coupe is here, and it's making a bold statement. This next-generation luxury SUV coupe combines Mercedes' iconic performance with a sleek, sporty look that commands attention. For 2025, Mercedes has stepped up the game with impressive performance enhancements, more refined design, and cutting-edge tech. It's not just a facelift, it's a true performance upgrade for anyone looking for luxury and thrill in a single package. Starting with the design, the GLC Coupe holds onto that classic coupe silhouette, but amps up the aggression with a bolder front end. It has a newly designed grille, sharper LED headlights, and sleeker lines that flow down the body. The athletic stance is complemented by AMG's signature touches like the quad exhaust outlets and wide air intakes. And with available 20-inch AMG wheels, the GLC Coupe's visual appeal is undeniable. Mercedes also offers a range of unique color options, allowing you to add a bit of personality to this head turner. Under the hood, we're looking at some serious power. The GLC 43 Coupe comes with an electrified 3.0-liter V6 biturbo engine, producing around 469 horsepower. But the real star is the GLC 63 SE Performance model. It's powered by a 4.0-liter V8 hybrid setup, capable of delivering a massive 671 horsepower. This combination of electric and gas power offers both speed and efficiency, with a 0 to 60 mph time in just about 3.3 seconds. Mercedes has also included an enhanced all-wheel drive system and an adaptive air suspension that gives the car a smooth ride while still being sharp and responsive in corners. Inside, Mercedes didn't hold back on luxury. The 2025 GLC Coupe offers a premium cabin with the latest tech and top-of-the-line materials. You get AMG sport seats with Napa leather, a 2.3-inch digital driver display, and an even bigger 4.2-inch center touchscreen. Everything is powered by Mercedes' MBUX infotainment system, which responds to touch, voice, and even hand gestures. The system offers wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the latest navigation features. Add in options like the Burmester surround sound system, and you've got a mobile luxury suite. This AMG GLC Coupe also comes packed with advanced safety features. Mercedes includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and an intelligent parking assist that makes tight spaces a breeze. With features like these, Mercedes has made sure that you can enjoy the drive without compromise. To wrap it up, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG LC Coupe is a thrilling combination of performance, luxury, and style. It's designed to please drivers who want the versatility of an SUV without sacrificing speed or elegance. With its power, tech, and looks, this model is setting a new standard for luxury SUVs. Whether you're a die-hard AMG fan or someone new to the Mercedes brand, this GLC Coupe is worth a look. Let us know in the comments if this 2025 GLC Coupe is on your wish list, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates from Auto Dive.